Hello, today we're going to solve this right triangle and we're going to be given two sides. So the first side will have the hypotenuse is 5 and we'll have this side over here. We'll let that be 4. So we want to solve the right triangle. So we want to find what is angle A, what is angle B, and what is this side over here. So you can call this side CB, or if you're referring to angle A, we'll call this side A. So I hope that you can see that we can find A, the side, by using Pythagorean theorem. So we're going to save that for later. So first we're going to focus on just finding angle A. And as you recall from the last video, we need to establish the relationships between angle A and the two sides given to us. So the side beside angle A is 4, so that is adjacent to angle A, and 5 is always the hypotenuse since it is across the 90-degree angle. So we can set up cosine. So we have cosine of angle A equals 4 over 5. And as in the other video, we were trying to find the ratio, so we took cosine of an angle and it gave us the ratio that we were looking for. But this time we want to use the ratio to help us find the angle. So we are going to introduce this inverse notation as cosine inverse of 4 over 5 equals angle A. And this is the part where you would put in your calculator and you would get that angle A equals 37 degrees. So I rounded here. It was 36.8699, but I just rounded to the nearest degree, and we got angle A is 37 degrees. So at this point, we could probably find a nice way to find angle B, since we know that we have a 90 degree and 37. We can just add those and subtract 180 and find out the answer. But once again, we're just going to go the longer route just so we practice using this inverse notation. So this time we want to find angle B, and we're going to do the same thing. Angle B, we're going to look at 4 and 5. We know that 4 is opposite to 4, and we know that 5 is the hypotenuse. So this time we're going to do sine of B equals 4 over 5. And we are going to do the same thing and write sine inverse of 4 over 5 equals B. And we will get 53 degrees. And the cool thing is, you can check it. 37 plus 53 is going to give you 90, and 90 plus 90 gives you 180. And so that's a good way just to make sure that it worked. And then the last part is finding what side A is. You can remember that it's a 3, 4, 5 triangle, or you can use Pythagorean theorem. Just for fun, because we enjoy doing math. You can just... Oh, sorry, that shouldn't be c squared. That should be 5 squared. And you will get 3 at the end. And you have successfully solved the right triangle.